And welcome back. As you can see behind me, I picked up another car. It is the E30 model of BMW. Good chassis. I've always liked them. Nice, boxy, typical 80s car. It's actually a 325E. E meaning economy or extremely slow. But it's a really decent little car. The price is right, so I picked it up. And yeah, here it is. I'll give you a walk around, start it up. There's a few issues with it, but nothing too major, I don't think, or I haven't found yet. I know it needs a rear axle and a temperature sensor at the moment. That's what the previous owner has told me. But time will tell as I go through this car. I have literally just started it up and pulled it in here, and it wasn't running too healthy, so I'll pop the hood and I'll show you guys what's going on with it. I don't even know what's going on with it. I haven't seen underneath the hood. I'll give you a quick tour of the car. Paint's a little rough, as you can see. Emblems gone, faded. Not bad. Aftermarket fog lights. I think it was smacked in the front a little. I don't know if it hit something or what, but I believe it has to go through Connecticut inspection or something like that. So that's why the previous owner did not register it, because he didn't have a trailer or something like that, or something happened. I don't know, but I own an E30 now. See, primer. She's a little rough on the outside, but fairly straight. The bumper held on by mechanic's wire, not bad. I'll show you. The roof's a little bit rough, but show you the inside. Ooh, some kind of paper. Factory duct tape. Interior is pretty clean. It says it has 144,000 miles on it. Don't know how true that is. I don't even know if it works. It is an automatic. No big deal to me. I prefer a 5-speed, but this will do. The dash is a bit cracked. Got some free coolant, it looks like. The seat. One little spot. Ooh, these cars are tiny. The big back seat. Got some more junk. Stuff like that. Back seat's very clean. As you can see, I'm a big person. That seat's all the way back. So, people must have been tinier in 1986. I'll pop the hood. I'll show you what's going on with that. Oh, that's a little bit of a mess. It's probably a plate that goes right here or something like that. Alright. What I also love about these E30s is where the hood opens up. Just take it, opens up like that, and will she stay? Yep, okay, she'll stay. You got your 2.7 liter inline 6. Looks like it was rubbing a bit right there, somewhere on the hood. But everything seems to be there. I don't really see anything bad. I did pull it in. I noticed that I need power steering fluid, so I'm pretty sure that leaks. Great. Let's see. And she does not like to start up cold. It's pretty cold today, so I gotta figure out what's going on with that. As you can see, it's been sitting for a while as well. So these always gather open here. Yeah. Let me start it up to show you how rough it's running. And then after, maybe I'll take it down the road, show you guys the speed and performance of this beautiful 1980s time capsule. Not bad at park. This seems pretty good to drive. Doesn't seem happy. It's a little better now. Maybe I'll do spark plugs, wires, that kind of thing. But all in all, not too bad. I think this will be a fun daily driver. It's got good winter tires. Winter's coming, so I'll see how she does. I think this car's really good on fuel. I don't know. Well, probably the best economic car I have in my fleet right now. I think the Nissan gets the best fuel mileage, and that's probably at 14 at best. Maybe this is 16. Who knows? I'll find out. But yeah, maybe let's go for a drive. Let's see how she does. Maybe she'll stall out, die, and I leave it there. Torch it. The interior's kind of dirty. There's like a film on the windows, but I didn't even check to see if all the windows rolled down or not. Ooh, let's turn that heat off. All right, let's see. Driver's side. Not bad. Back one works. Let's go all the way down. Oh, it does. Oh. She's not happy. All right. This one, back passenger. Yep, not gonna go all the way down because it's raining and the windows don't close. I don't want water to get in here. Let's see, passenger. Yep, look at that. All right. Good enough for me. And it's got a sunroof. I think they're all manual. I don't know how to work this thing. Look at that. I think I might have broken it. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, something happened. All right. I don't know if there's a knob that goes on the end of this or not, but it probably does, but all right. Uh-oh. Oh, all right. Thought I got stuck open. Nice. The headliner's not sagging like it is on my M3. Man, it's quite the arm workout. All right. All right, that's close and okay. That doesn't want to stay shut. Apparently, this S means sport mode or super slow. I don't know. I'll find out. But I do have a flashing light. Don't know what that means. I do have less than half tank. All right, let's try her out. There we go. All right, let's go for a test drive. All right, put on the seatbelt. Also, apparently the radio don't work, and it's a factory one, so all it just says is code. I don't know what that means. I'll have to look into it, but I'll probably get an aftermarket one, unless one of you E30 people know what this is all about. It's running a bit rough. Oh well, let's try it. Some funny noises coming. Squeaks. Ooh, alright. That was a bad idea. Don't know why I did that. Now I can't see anything. Great. It shifted. Probably in third or fourth right now. She's quite smooth, especially when she warms up. What is bumping around back there? Okay, I'm going to shift into sport mode. There we go. Dead stop, and I'm gonna floor it. Come on. Come on. Go. Whoop, second. Oh man, she's bogging. Come on. Come on. 50. Come on. 55. 60. Yeah. She got some issues. Maybe I can sort them out. I don't know if you can even see through the windshield. But let's turn down here. Ooh, gotta turn that off. Well, that wasn't too bad. Actually, that was terrible. That was slow. But I wonder if I change out spark plugs, wires, all that stuff. Maybe it'll give her more like oomph off the line, because it wasn't going anywhere. But it does have that top end range. It's like, then it kind of picked up, so that's something I gotta look at. But yeah, this is it. It's not too shabby. So I think that's going to wrap it up on this episode of the 1986 E30 BMW 325E. Let me know what you think of it. Keep it, sell it. I might keep it fairly stock, if anything. It's automatic. I don't really want to do anything crazy. I just want to enjoy it. Also, if you're an E30 person, you know about these cars more than I do, leave me some information below in the comments section and all that, because I'm more of a E36 person. I've owned E46, an E36, an E30, kind of going backwards or forward. Older cars are better, in my opinion. So yeah. Drop a comment down below, do all that. Maybe give this video a thumbs up. And maybe think about subscribing. I would like that. But till the next time, you'll probably be seeing this car a little bit more videos. Maybe a good road trip one. I'm really going for that road trip one. This looks like a fun car to do a road trip in. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. See you then.